Hey folks, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, and I hope you're all doing safe in this COVID situation and you're finding ways to cope and get through. Um, it's not easy for us all, but I think what I wanted to talk about today is just something I've been doing in my quote-unquote spare time, a little hobby I've been picking up. I bought a 3D printer, a Flash Forge Adventurer 3, so I had reviewed a lot of different sites and reviews on them, and this seemed like this would be the best to as a starter as I'm learning, and I'm playing around. So I thought, I don't know what it was, but something about making this made me really excited. I've made these little, again, I don't make them, I just print off the file off Thingiverse, like these little clam things, like little sharks. Those are cute and funny. I got a Sir Rex guy here that he bounces around. That's kind of funny and neat, and those print in place kind of things. But something about the gadgetry of this kind of made it neat. This is called a balcony box. And I'll just show you how it comes all apart. And again, I'll put a link into here where you can find it on Thingiverse, because again, I don't make any of this myself. I just find the file and I print it. And there we go. So the way it works is you print this little shelf, and there's a little floor you print as well, and pop it in there. You take these two of them and you put them together so that they line up there. Take the base, and the base has these things to line up as well. Lock them in place. All right. And because it's got the teeth, we need a little gear. So it's got a little gear here to put in there. Now I like to put it where that's just about in the middle. And then a little locking screw to hold it all together. And just put it all there. And then the neat thing about this little balcony box is then I can do this. You just open it up and you can store stuff in there. I don't know what you would store. It's not a lot of space in there. But something about printing that gadget and it working and you just put it in assembled together has been really cool. So I really liked it. It's something that's helped me pass the time. I mean, obviously I'm no expert at really dialing in my 3D printer. There's a gap there that you know, it's not tight. You can see some of the variation on the edges of there. There's some scarring. There's still some glue remnant. I put a lot of the Elmer's glue stick down on my print bed so that it pops off easily. But there's definitely some issues, and you can definitely see I got some cooling issues. So there's that warping that comes up on the print bed that it kind of peels up as it's going. And I've got to play around a bit more, and there's some more. You can see it's a bit of warping there as well too. But it's still neat. We can color this, we can paint it, and we can do a lot of neat things with a 3D printer. And I'm excited to try to do more things. And it's something to pass the time. If you've got a 3D printer, tell me what you're using. Tell me what kind of cool things you printed. If you don't have a 3D printer, that's fine. Tell me what you're doing to get through COVID. Would love to hear what your hobbies you're taking on. Okay, thanks so much, everybody.